This quick tutorial will show you how to edit an employee's information in the department manually. To get started, click on the employee list and then click the Edit button to change the information. Note that you can change any placeholder data, but for our example, I'll only change the employee's role. Now I'll make the same change for another employee, and after the change, remember to save the information. When finished, click the Paste an Email button to see and use the employee's email signature. In this part, you can share the signature publicly, download the HTML, or send it to the user's profile through the integration. In our example, we have the integration with Zoho CRM, so I can send the signature directly to the user's profile.